So millions of people are under the threat of severe weather across the country. Heavy rains and snowfall are bringing threats of floods and mudslides. The storm system that brought the flooding and at least one tornado on the west coast is now shifting east, and it's bringing severe weather to the deep south and snow and ice in the Midwest and the Northeast. So we got to turn to our scientist in the group, Trey Fulbright. So Trey, break it down for us. We're about to see a little bit more of that system headed our way, right?
Right. The actual center of that low pressure that we've been watching the last couple of days is going to be moving overhead as we move into this afternoon. And unlike yesterday, where we saw our temperatures steadily rising through the day, they're going to peak early on this morning and then fall as the afternoon progresses. We may briefly touch 47 here in the Pittsburgh metro, although that temperature, that rise is going to be fairly brief this morning before we fall back into the lower 20s this evening. And similar to yesterday, precipitation chances today remain fairly high, 70 to 100%. Pretty much all day again, and then to the afternoon and evening. We've already had some pretty decent rain just today. These are totals since midnight, closing in on an inch at the airport, 8/10 of an inch in Butler, 4/10 of an inch there in Latrobe. We've had some drier air work its way into our southeastern counties to gradually shut off some of the rain here this morning, but that will fill back in with time as we work our way into this afternoon. Light to moderate rain across Allegheny County. The more moderate rates have shifted off to the north toward Route 422 and I-80. Again, with temperatures that are above freezing, we're all seeing that rain throughout the area this morning. Those showers continue south of the city into northern West Virginia, and these are going to continue to work their way off to the east as we watch this strong area of low pressure. You can see the severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings down to the south. We're going to be watching the colder air work its way back in, and you see that band of snow over Ohio and Indiana. That will also move in as we move into the afternoon as well. So there's the low and that cold front pushing off to the east. We expect a rapid transition between noon and roughly 2 p.m. over to snow as that cold air surges in from the west. We could see a burst of heavy snow as well, reduced visibility, quick accumulation. So if you're traveling this afternoon, do be on the lookout for that as that band of snow pushes off to the east. Could see some difficult driving conditions into the late afternoon and evening hours. That'll transition into scattered snow showers this evening and into the overnight hours, and then tomorrow morning dropping down into the teens to lower 20s with remnant flurries and snow showers. Expected snowfall amounts today, 1 to 3 inches here in the Pittsburgh metro, 2 to 4 along and northwest of the line from Beaver Falls to Butler up toward Clarion and our northwestern counties. Upwards of 6 to 8 inches possible on the westward facing slopes of the Laurel Highlands and the ridges, 3 to 6 inches there elsewhere, and then lighter amounts from Washington down toward Morgantown. The other big thing we are watching today will be the winds. We're expecting very high wind gusts this afternoon after that front comes through. Gusts between 35 and 55 miles per hour with the highest winds in the peaks of the Laurel Highlands and the ridges, and that will continue into tomorrow afternoon, evening, and into the overnight hours as well. Snow showers will continue into tomorrow morning. We'll see those decrease in the afternoon. Our temperatures continue to drop Monday evening and the Tuesday morning down into the single digits. So a cold start to this upcoming week, and that cold air will linger into the middle part of the week, and we're going to have to watch for the potential of another system as we work our way into Wednesday night and Thursday. Right now, the best chance of snow with this generally from Pittsburgh south or south of the city, but that could shift if the track changes as well. So we're going to have rain switching to snow today, high winds expected, temperatures dropping into the 20s tonight, 24 tomorrow, 20 coming up on Tuesday, and then there comes that next system coming up for the middle part of this week.